Knowledgeable than us.
Regarding ectopic pregnancies, it is the tried. We have whenever patients come with the pain abdomen in a case of amenorrhea, and at the same time, but why pain occurs? Not due to the distension or something. When there is a blood is spilling inside the peritoneum, and this peritoneum is irritated, getting irritated, then comes the pain. So when I was diagnosing, thinking why pain occurs in ectopic, the cause of pain is the irritation of the peritoneum. So some are the basic signs. It is the triad, amenorrhea, followed pain abdomen, and the local bleedings. These three in a young married woman or unmarried. 3 cases we have reported last 6 months, and such a horrible condition that is. So 3 clinical trials. Out of them, cause I am telling the extent of irritation, how to assess clinically. Suppose patient is coming. Nagmani has mentioned some tips that shoulder pain. Patient in the extreme measures, he has mentioned shoulder pain. So why shoulder pain? When there is a huge collection inside peritoneum, it irritating the diaphragm. So it is if patients with you are suspecting the patient is having ectopic and clinically having shoulder pain, patient is going to die if you will not treat it immediately. Means more and more already is collected and this is. So this is the extent of clinical spectrum of ectopics. From soft, generally it is the lower side, 90, 86, 100, 106. It is the clinical spectrum of the ectopic. And ectopic was operated by surgeon in 1884 by Mr. Tate, and first time operated 150 years for this. Already happens first operation for ectopics. So 150 years of operation history of the ectopic. There is a huge spectrum and advancement of have now come. But if it is the soft side or this diagnostic we have discussed in detail, patient is, as our CMD sir was mentioning, we have to operate as early as possible, seeing the risk. But in this case, only good thing is that even after post-operative finding, tube was not ruptured. There was a bleeding from femoral limb. Yeah. So that is the part that patient was life was on safety side. Otherwise, once it is get ruptured, the more and more collection of this, and there is a chance of that. Second thing I would like to highlight that the aggressive use of the methotrexate in early phase by the laparoscopist is not very much practiced, and most of the Western world, they are very frequently, if it is 3.5 less than 3.5 centimeter sac, very quickly they are doing this, and a lot of good result having put. And throughout the Western world, why this ectopic is increasing, particularly for the after the so many cases of Asherman, so many cases of the tubal cilia, movement why declining? That is the cause for the main ectopic, and it was found that tuboplasty, tubal erosion, and Asherman syndrome, irritation, early DNC. These are the cause for the rise of the ectopic pregnancy. So ectopic is always a challenge. It should not be, if diagnosed, we have to treat as early as possible. We have lost one girl in our ICU cell from Kharagpur, and later on it was found to use there is a collection. Later on septicemia, MOD, CRDS, we have treated for 1 month. We lost that lady. One lady, their life has been saved. Our CMS, their assistant's wife, that life we have saved. But one lady, young girls lost lives. Very recently, my personal experience in one lady from Dachineshwar, sir, it was a private case here, I am telling. That lady came with unmarried girl. They brought by his brother that killed on a home. And it was found in there that there was amenorrhea. It was done test immediately. Ultrasound was called. It was 6:30 night. After 2 hours, 8:30, she was been operated, and her life has been saved. Huge collection of that. So this type of story is equally very, very challenging in Ethiopic. I know we have 2-3 cases, and it is increasing day by day. Regarding that.
Especially the third decade, women third decade, that is nearing 40 or just above 40, their history of syncope at home, admitted in the medical ward, and finally found to be in shock, opened up, you find it's a ruptured ectopic with more than a liter of blood.
And sir, some recent advancement.
Examples.
And sir, what now the recent 2 cases has been reported. The successful outcome of the ectopic pregnancy in the abdominal pregnancy, 2 to 3 cases has been reported that even abdomen they have survived, 2-3 cases. And most recent treatments are what they are doing, and they are searching for that. That 3 cases have reported that womb transplantation. They are transplanting your fetus from the tubes to the inside the womb. 2 cases have been reported successfully, but it is a very, very skilled and needs very. So these are some outcome regarding. Thank you.